you see the question. Now we go for the solution. Here f is given as xj cap minus y I cap by b square x square plus a square y square, and you know r is x I cap plus y j cap. So f dot dr is minus y dx plus x dy by b square x square plus a square y square. Now this can be written as x dy minus y dx by a square x square b square by a square plus y square by x square. Now this thing can be written as dy by x, here a square, and inside the bracket you see b by a square plus y by x to the power 2. Now we can change this in polar coordinates. Y equals to a square plus b square cos theta, and y equals to a square plus b square sin theta. So the whole thing, integration of this will be d tan theta by a square b by a square plus tan square theta and theta goes from 0 to 2 pi. Now we use the formula 1 by 1 plus x square dx or a square plus x square dx, that equals to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Using this, and you see 0 to 2 pi, so this can be written, this limit can be changed as 4 into 0 to pi by 2 d tan theta by a square b by a square plus tan square theta, and this will be 4 by this a square, and integration of this thing according to this formula will be 1 by a is this value, so b by a and tan inverse, you see x by a, at the place of x you see tan theta, so tan theta by a means this b by a, b and a. Now we have to put the limit 0 and pi by 2. Putting pi by 2, this becomes infinity, and tan inverse infinity is again pi by 2. So this whole thing will be pi by 2. So here I write 4 by a square into a by b into pi by 2, and putting the limit 0 makes whole thing 0. So it remains only this expression. So this expression becomes 2 pi by ab, and you see this 2 pi by ab in a. So a is our correct option.